And this is a video of one of the oldest gadgets I own. I've had this since I was 8, so it's well over 50 years old. I got it bought for me in the 60s. And I don't think I've opened it since probably for 40 years, so I don't know what kind of condition it's in. Some people might recognise what this is. Some people might not. Right at the end of the video as well, when I've unboxed this, I'm going to show you an introduction to my next video. So I'm going to unbox something that I'm going to be building later on. So onto this one. So, look. As I said, I have not got a clue what condition this is going to be in. A lot can happen in 50 years. Doesn't look too bad. As you can see, it's a microscope. Oh, this doesn't look good, does it? So that pipette, the rubber on that, that's gone. Oh, something's missing as well. So there was some tweezers here, a scalpel there, and an incubation chamber here. I used to hide things in these up here. Let's see if there's anything there. That's the thing that I'm going to be building. So it's a little electronics project that I'm going to be doing. So if you want to see that, watch till the end. So, got lots of slides in here. Guinea pig blood. Didn't put anything in there. Butterfly scales. Don't know what kind of condition the microscope's in either. So these are some slide glasses. You can make your own slides. It came with cover glasses for whatever you want to put in there. And you just put your samples. Oh, there are some in here. Now, I do remember 50-year memory that I did cut myself and put my own blood under one of these. I don't think there's any there. Angora rabbit fur. I think this is falling. Oh, there's something else in there. Don't know what that is. Put that back. Put those back. I can't remember what these are. Sea salts. Why would there be sea salts in there? I suppose some nice geometric shapes in salt. What else have we got? Canadian balsam. Danger. Harmful or fatal if swallowed. Do not induce vomiting. Call physician immediately. Vapor harmful. It's amazing what toys they allowed us to play with when we were little in the 60s. Don't think this would be... Oh. Brine shrimp eggs. That's what the sea salt's for. This is the precursor of sea monkey. Oh, I wonder. I don't suppose these eggs are still viable, do you? Do you know what? That might be a future video. I'm going to see if I can actually hatch my own sea monkeys. I'll have to find out what the ratios is for the sea salt. And then get some algae. Right, so look at the microscope itself. So, it's a really good quality one. Philo is a Japanese brand. So, the eyepiece has got 10 times to 15 times and anywhere in between. And then we've got these lenses here with different magnifications. So altogether you can go from 100 to 750 times magnification. But there is a problem, or I remember the problem with this one. It's the longest one. It actually, you can take it through the slide. And I've snapped quite a few slides there. But actually, it looks in good condition for... If I was 8, 69, 31, 55 years old, that is in good condition. So this has a mirror. So you put a light source over here, angle the mirror and put it through the hole there and through your sliding into the optics. Or this here switches on the power when it connects over there and it lights up. So there's a little bulb in there. Or there was, I don't know if it still works. And it's powered by... Oh. I think there's a bit missing there. Wire used to go through here and plug in there. I think I might have another electronics project here. I'll have to find out what voltage and amps that bulb is. And then wire up a little DC power supply to it, see if I can get it running. And then I'll have to find out how I can shoot a video through there so you can see what's on the slide. That'll be much future videos. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put this away, think about how I'm going to fix that, and then try and work out how I can shoot a video down through a microscope so you can see what I would see. So this is something that I ordered off Etsy, and it's a kit of parts for a word clock. Oh, I like handwritten notes. Thank you so much for your support in purchasing one of our word clock kits. We really hope you enjoy the builds. Plus, it would be great to see the end results. Best wishes, Gurglaps. They've got a YouTube channel as well. So the instructions for this build are on YouTube somewhere. Let's have a look what they've sent. My cat's showing off at the minute. Look at that. Playing the dying cat. Trust me, she's not dying. Right. So we've got USB, micro USB to USB-A. This must be the power for something that's in here, I hope. And I think this is the LED screen. It is. So it's 8x8 RGB. You can tell that there's 3 bits. Is this going to focus? You should be able to see 3 little bits in there for the red, green and blue. And what else have we got? This is nice. This is laser cut, I think. So this goes over here, and then the holes are done so it can fasten on there. There we go. So that's lined up. So it can say things like, oh, we'll light these up for 20. And then they can go read words down and across. So you could go 20 past 9, 20 past 8. Every time is on here somewhere. So you see it says 11 there, 12, not 12, doesn't say 12, does it? It says 11, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So that goes behind there. And I'm hoping that this is Raspberry Pi Pico. I'm really rubbish at opening these packets. Yep, I that's everything. So this is the Raspberry Pi Pico. It's the Wi-Fi version. It's got the Wi-Fi module on there. This is the power and the way you program it. So you use MicroPython, and the interface for that is Thonny, which I've got to download yet onto my MacBook, so I can program this so that it knows which LEDs to light up. This is the case. So this is the back. Just a bit of flashing that's left over there. I'll clean that up later. So this is the back. Zoom in the LED. The wires have got to go through there. So I think it goes like that. And then this fits over, and then that goes over. Yep. That goes on, and then this frame goes over there. So it's going to look like a nice clock. These are feet and some cables for soldering this up to the pins on here. So it takes positive and negative from here and the data line, so it's serial interface that drives here. So you see we've got negative, positive, negative, positive and in. So this is data in. 24 pin. 24-bit colour, 64 RGB LEDs, only one data pin. So that'll be an interesting little project. I've got my soldering irons already. Need to order some lead-free solder. But I think when this is done, it'll look really good. Looking forward to building this. And what my plan is to look how this works. Look at the software that's been programmed on this. And I want to build a bigger version. So I want to use 4 of these boards so that this whole thing's got to be 4 times bigger. I'll then have to work out how I can make one of these. Or, well, I'll have to send it off to be made, I would think. Well, anyway, that's in another video. So if you like this, and if you're looking forward to watching me build this, then like and subscribe, and make sure you hit the bell notification. That way you'll get notified when this video goes live. Thanks for watching. Bye.